Okay, here we are in the car, post Toys R Us. What did you get, Jackie?
A skid steer.
Can we take a look at it? Wow, it's a John Deere. Sweet. Do you like it?
Uh-huh. Oh. It's got forks.
Yeah, it's got different attachments. This is really sweet.
And it comes apart.
All right, we'll be opening this later. Jackie, what do you have here?
A skid steer.
A skid steer.
And let's open this up and see what we have inside. What's in there? We got to get this out first. Can we get this out first? Okay?
If you're wondering about all the clapping, we're somewhere where Jack's mommy is in a meeting.
Let's pull it out.
Okay, should we open this up?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's
take a look. Open it. See what we have inside. Open it. See the big trucks?
Can you pull that out, Jack?
Wow. Let's get out this one, okay? I got the attachment.
Let's just get this. Let's take a closer look at this. Ruthie, will you hold that up?
No, this fits on too. No.
Turn it a little bit. Hold it still. Spin the wheels. Jackie, can you show us what you got here?
A skid steer loader.
What kind of attachment does he have right now?
Forks.
Let's see. Wow, what's he doing?
Picking. He's picking.
Wow, that is cool. Is he a John Deere?
Uh-huh. There's a John Deere like there.
Nice.
It's the biggest truck. Uh-oh, I dropped it. I better pick my peep up.
That's called a pallet.
Pallet?
Yep.
It's a pallet frame.
Yep.
Oh.
So you can lift up boxes on it.
Uh-oh, I did it.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that. Alright, now that it's fixed, let's take a look at this guy.
Now it's going to get the peep on.
Does he make any noises?
It makes noises.
It's got some lights.
And forks around, there's the back. And then No! Let me have it. Leave me alone.
Uh-oh. Big sister Ruthie's over here trying to help, but Jack is very excited about this toy.
Wow. That was awesome. Let's build one more. Let's build it again. That's a little different. That's it's not yet ready. Mama, ready. Almost ready. Here comes us. And 1, 2, 3, go. I'm gonna look like a skid steer. Ready, go. Here it comes. Wow. That was epic. Let's do it again. Let's make another one. I'm going to make it different.
We'll see you later, guys. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you'd like video updates. Bye-bye.
We're going to open this at home.